comfortable. Oh no, I accidentally touched the feet where I had to go. But it didn't clap. By you, Because he's panicking.
Ay.
Stop looking. I'm.
Tawag ko si ate ko niya. Yun na si Papa.
Cassava.
Hello guys, here we go again. It's Saturday morning and Papa is making pancake
For us.
for Mama only.
Mama, that's not fair, Mom.
It's
That
fair.
is you.
Everything is fair in love. And
No.
love.
Follow me.
Idiot,
Oh,
idiot,
it's
idiot.
dangerous. But what the heck are you saying?
Uy, kapag ng baba ni Molina ha? And how about our baby boy here? Hello, baby boy! Good morning, guys! Good morning, Regina!
Good morning.
Today is January 31st. Oh my God, tomorrow is February na ugma. Oh my God, that's so fast. Good morning, baby boy of Mama and the baby girl of Mama. I love you, girl. Say I love you. No, dilit ka sa mga lawong.
Okay, go on.
O, siya na po.
Okay, bye.
Wow, good job.
No, I'm bad.
Sa man imong may kaingon sa imong kwan Alicia. School.
I don't know.
Alicia is quiet daw, ate is
Hey, why are you bad?
not being too friendly. Ha? Not being too friendly. Ano si Miko? Number 3 ra ka dito ti sa makipagkuan sa mga classmates. 3 ra imo ko. Alina is the most helpful kid in all whole wide world. Saman. Oh, sige. Sifting here, guys. I don't know why. Baby. Listen mo.
Let's go play, Booger.
Booger.
Shake.
Here you go. Oy. Ano man na?
Tanang mga bata sa kalibutan. Ulat sa...
Awilan. Alin na.
You're about to make my phone.
Saba.
Lisa, no!
Oy. Yung atong vlog, oh. Listen na. Okay. Ano sa mga? Ma-full pa diya. Catch me. I'm falling for you. And I don't know what to do. Oh. Help me. Baba na. Mawala naman si ate dira.
No, Lisa.
Wasaba. Makita mo sa camera nagkiss-kiss mo diha. Kamdor sa liso wasaba. Oh my God, Lisa. Saba ba niya mo? Uy. Sa motel. Sa motel. Lisa na pod. Looks like we made it. Sa baba. Look how far we've come. Kamzor masalaso wasaba. Kamotel. Ano na pagkantali na? Kamzor asalaso wasaba. Kamotel. Behan na di let's go guys. Where is the dodong? Here you go again, my
I
dodong.
have arrived for my destination.
Hello.
Right? We arrived to the kitchen to eat pancakes. Wow, your head is under. There's a bump under.
Masya bam bam, masya bam bam. Tumanong na hong imanong ha. Tumanong na hong ha. Oh, do you like it there, no? Do you like it there or yes or no? Ah? Oh. Ay, sunsa.
Why are you waking up? Why are you
Ah!
early?
Where is Ate? Let's vlog Ate. What is she doing here, guys? She's watching Roblox. She's crocheting. She's doing crochet. Crocheting. How'd na kate?
No, not yet. I'm trying to make a heart.
Huh?
This is just my beginner project.
Huh?
This is just my beginner project.
Mm-hmm. Beginner project. Looks like we made it. Hanaya rali siya. Malipong po na si Dudong. Ano sa daw?
Go inside the house. Go inside. Go inside. I'm going inside. Okay, so you want to go party? You should let her up your one. Lena, you can only play like by yourself there.
Papagid siya lang. Lang, papagod na siya lang. Sige daw. 1, 2, 3, flip! Flip ka! Sige daw, be. Zez. Da 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 da. What? Oh, 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 oh no. Oh no. Watch out. Yan daw, flip daw ka na. Kuha na mo. Bonjour, masaleso, wasaba. Sige daw, be. Sige daw. Oh. I-flip ba? Hold on. Itang gilas ka sa atong vlog man. Sige na. Jadi dapit. Aha. Nakabaliktad. Oh. Lan. Yung gatas na ibutang kay. Oh, itlog. Bonjour, leso-beso-baho ka.
Did you add egg?
Gitu ba?
Look.
Ako eh. Kapag kayo nalutong ko sa... Aha!
This makes you perfect.
Ako daw. Ako daw lang, be. Ako daw. Ako ba?
So, Ang garin na yan. Ang garin na. Kaya,
Halaka na mukha. Ay, bali na. Ay, itlog. Dangog di kaya ang dalanlan. Nag-freezing rain, gani ang kadlawon. Gusto ko na mo, ano ka sa musjo. Ma-relax mo to ka sa musjo kay mag-relax. Relax. Kita ka sa vlog. Ano? Nagkaon naman ka na siya. Ano, crispy bata daw. Ano ikaw nila? Crispy? Crispy? Crispy what? Crispy bata daw.
pata. 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 Ano ba? Pata.
Saan mo dyan ay?
It's yours. Tara.
Hey, what about me?
Kaya mo na tulis ka eh.
You should have one. Oh.
Butong kayo na? Ano mo nagkakab-kab?
Alina 101.
Eat every day with Alina.
Everyday with Alina.
Nabi, kutob rin yung...
Ang bayo na. Yung nawong. Sipi ka na ako ng nawong.
Yan, pisluton.
Yung ka ng isang gamay. Musulog siya ha.
Uy, duslo, ano ni Alisa, ang ululan ba?
No.
Oh my
Tumulit
gosh.
ka ng baba.
Yun ka kumbiyansahan ng bantay. Uy,
Sinugong na.
yun ka, kung nagbantay ba? Yaan. Bantayanan po, dang tigbantay.
Godo?
Naluuyat niya po dyan. Bonjour, masales, wasaba, king, dudung, dudung, hining mabig na ka dong, mura niya kay Ate Ina, Ate Liza, makita ko na yung mga sa TV dong, ay nani ka lang, small day ko lang, nag-cry ko guys. Nag-cry na ko guys. Adoy! Ano nag-cry man na? Hello guys, they're here eating cupcake.
Huh?
Cupcake. Lisa, I will help you lang ka.
How do you put it? Oh no.
Ayun, si gunit-guniti.
No, I didn't know.
Gada si Mama Day.
Oh yeah, after you're right.
Gada si Mama. Ano man li siya?
Tastes like sour bananas.
Sour ba?
Birthday mo mga ate.
Nga.
Ay, Chu.
Hey, give me back my knife back.
Mga ate. Party na.
Asli.